99% of people in this game we call reality are struggling, average, or just getting by, while the 1% are literally living heaven on earth. This is not a fucking coincidence. It is by design. There is no lack of money on this planet. The economy is not going down. These are limiting beliefs that they trying to program you with so you don't get to the 1%, right? But don't fall for this. Don't fall for the propaganda. They print this every day, 24/7, nonstop. So obviously there isn't a lack of money on this planet. The only lack of money that exists is what you possess inside. Bro, you are giving yourself lack of money inside, my nigga. So in this video, I'm gonna be showing you proof of me doing this and why the only thing holding you back is your mind. If you want help getting consistent results, I do one-on-one coachings and step-by-step walkthroughs. So if you wanna go tap into that, link in description. Now, the first thing we're gonna get into is me showing y'all that I actually live and breathe this shit, and I'm genuinely in the trenches, bro. I actually do this shit. On the screen, you're gonna see a calendar. April 18th is circled. That is when I got my manifestation. April 2nd, that is when I declared my manifestation, bro. Your manifestation should not take no longer than at least 2 to 3 weeks, bro, if you really doing this shit correctly and you being consistent. But yeah, as you can see on the calendar, it took me a little, like 2 days, over 2 weeks to get what I wanted. Now on April 1st, before I even wrote that shit down in my notes, I had a dream, right? Shout out MLK, I had a dream. So in the dream, I said, I had a dream where my community had X members and people were joining damn near every second, but most definitely every day. I also went back in time to watch myself play basketball and I was dunking and shit, limitless. But nah, I felt mad light and happy. Bro, my YouTube channel in school is blowing up. I just seen the same cats from my dream on my TikTok For You page. When I woke up from the dream, I was scrolling on TikTok and I seen the same cats in my motherfucking dream. So I was like, yeah, that shit happened. That shit was a real life thing that just fucking happened. It wasn't no motherfucking dream and illusion. It was real life. Now take note of the date, April 1st. Now I'm gonna show y'all when I put my manifestation in my notes, right? I created that shit April 4th at 3:01 p.m. April checkpoint, 5K subs. Okay, cool, right? Now look, the method that I used or the experiment that I tried was visualization and affirmations. Now I wanna make this one thing very clear, gang. Techniques do not get you to manifest something. They only help you get into the state of consciousness or awareness that manifests what you want. The techniques are just to help you get into the identity or the awareness or the state of consciousness that would manifest your desires, bro. So understand that your identity, self-image, and perception is what truly creates this reality. So yes, affirmations helped me manifest, but it wasn't the thing that got me to manifest this shit, bro. So after I had that dream, I was like, yeah, like this shit gonna be easy as fuck to get. And I really didn't care what happened afterwards because I already experienced it in my dream, right? So I went to go make a set of affirmations for my community. And my thought process within the community was like, I'm gonna use these affirmations simultaneously with the people inside my community so they can see how this shit actually go. So if you inside my community and you got access to this playlist and you look at the view count, you know a nigga been putting in work. I've been listening to them motherfuckers every night. Now, granted, at the beginning of April, I really wasn't listening to them day by day by day. I would listen to them maybe like every 3 or 2 days. It wasn't hella consistent, but by week 2, I was consistent as fuck. I was listening to that shit every fucking night, my nigga. So as you can see with the affirmations, I made them April 2nd. So the days still line up. I'm not capping. Now we're gonna go to the bridge of incidents, right? Now my bridge of incidents happened 2 weeks later, right? So as you can see, the video on the screen that blew up, I made that shit April 18th. It was 2 weeks after I started listening to the affirmations and put that shit into my notes app. Now leading up to this video, I was like, you know what? I'm not really fucking with the whiteboards no more. I kind of just want to talk my shit and go back to the desktops like how I was before, right? If you go scroll down on my videos and see all my past videos, you can see nigga was just on the desktops. So before I made this video, I was like, you know what? If these YouTube niggas don't fuck with this video, it is what it is. It's cool. I'm gonna upload this motherfucker anyways. And guess what happened? My manifestation came when I didn't give a fuck about it, bro. I literally posted the video, didn't give a fuck, and that's when that motherfucker happened. Literally, my nigga. You can see it on the fucking screen. I say that to say this. Manifestation is literally just subconscious auto suggestion, right? Let's say you texting somebody, right? And Apple try to auto correct your shit. That is exactly what your subconscious mind is doing with your reality. Your subconscious mind is going to prioritize the most dominant things you feed it on the daily, because that is signaling to your subconscious, this is what's happening in reality. Whatever you mentally and physically dwell on a consistent dominant basis, that is what you will experience over and over and over again, because you're literally fueling and feeding your fucking subconscious mind. My nigga, understand that shit. So since my subconscious mind is a good little boy and it does whatever the fuck I tell it to do, it will do whatever the fuck I tell it to do. And this is the whole purpose of me even listening to affirmations, me even creating Pinterest boards, me even doing shit in my daily life, because I literally go to sleep into the fucking subconscious gulag and do whatever the fuck I want to and wake up and do that same shit. Because again, my subconscious is a good little boy. He knows who daddy is and will do whatever the fuck I tell it, bro. And you have to see your shit the same way. There is no such thing as limiting beliefs. There are only beliefs that don't work for you. And you keep fueling these limiting beliefs by your reactions, by what you mentally dwell on, mental imagery, mental conversations, your beliefs and assumptions. If you genuinely want to manifest money, relationships, whatever the fuck, social status, you have to make whoever experiences that reality your most dominant thinking pattern, bro. You have to become that individual that experiences that reality to manifest what the fuck they got. It's easy. It's literally the easiest thing on fucking planet Earth, my nigga. Really understand that shit, gang. So your manifestations in reality works on the law of reverse effort, right? It's easy because it's easy, right? Or the law of detachment. Do less to get more. Now, going back to the 1%, these niggas want you to think it's hard to get to the 1%. It's hard to make $100,000 plus a year. That is so fucking false, bro. That's like some early 1990s limiting ad belief, bro. We in motherfucking 2026. Niggas are making millions of dollars off of faceless Roblox channels. Bro, really think about what the fuck I just said. Niggas are making hundreds of thousands of dollars off of faceless Roblox YouTube channels and Roblox maps. My nigga, so you think your business can't make 60, 80, 100K a year? Bro, really genuinely think about that shit, bro. Who gave you that perspective, bro? Only you gave yourself that fucking perspective, my nigga. So if you're watching this video and you're thinking, oh, can I really change or manifest something by just changing my thoughts? Nigga, yes. That's what these niggas are doing. That's what I'm doing. My nigga, you just seen the motherfucking Carfax. You just seen the proof of me doing this shit IRL right in front of your fucking face, my nigga. So when you decide to do techniques or something outside of yourself, please understand, these are like training wheels, gang. These techniques are literally there to help you get into the awareness of the identity or individual that has what you want in the now moment, bro. You're not manifesting to get. You're manifesting because you are. And because you are, you have this thing, bro. Understand that, gang. You be, do, and have. Not have, then be, then do. My nigga, it's not backwards. It's you be, do, have, bro. That's literally it. Manifesting is genuinely just making that version of reality your most dominant thinking pattern. That is all it is, bro. Don't overcomplicate this shit. It is so easy.